Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani. For those of you who don't know me, I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And today I'm sharing with you 20 video ideas for beauty YouTubers. So whether you are a new beauty YouTuber or maybe you're somebody with an established channel but you're looking to incorporate more beauty videos onto that channel, this video is for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my list and not dilly-dally today. We're just gonna get right in there. So my first video idea is your go-to everyday makeup. So what do you put on your face every day? If it's just a normal day, what goes on your face? That kind of thing. Second one is your going out makeup. So if you're going to the club, maybe you're going to a concert, maybe you're going, to dinner with friends or something. What does your going out makeup look like? For number 3, I have your favorite red lipsticks. So, maybe you're somebody that doesn't wear red lipsticks. So this could be your favorite nudes or your favorite pinks or even just like your favorite lip glosses or lip products. For number 4, I have seasonal makeup look. And what I mean by this is, spring makeup look, summer makeup look, fall makeup look, winter makeup look, that kind of stuff. Number 5, I have a product review of a new product. If you can be one of the first people to upload about a new product, the better off you're gonna be, because people are going to start searching for that because they're like, oh, this is new, like I wonder what it looks like, I wonder how it works or whatever. And so they're gonna be looking for people doing videos on that product. So again, if you can be one of the first people with a video on that product, then you have more people coming to your channel. Number 6 is a tutorial using a specific palette. So that can be, an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter palette, a blush palette, whatever kind of palette you have, but just doing a tutorial on that specific palette because, again, this goes back to people wanting to know what something looks like before buying it. So they want to see what kind of looks they can create using these palettes before they buy them. Number 7 is a product review of a product that is new to you. So this could be a product that came out 6 months ago, but you just recently added it to your makeup collection. And the reason that you wouldn't do a video like this is because you never know, like, who's looking for that video, Let's talk about foundation, for example. So maybe you're somebody that's, a certain shade with oily skin. And out there in the world, there's somebody looking for someone that looks like them, that has oily skin, doing a review on this foundation. So maybe it's not out there and you need to go ahead and put it out there so that somebody else can find it. Does that make sense? I hope that made sense. Number 8 and number 9 are your AM skincare and your PM skincare. You can also do like your AM summer skincare, AM winter skincare, PM summer skincare, PM winter skincare. So that's like 4 videos right there. Number 10 is your self-care / pamper routine. So do you do a full-on facial with like a steamer and extractions? Do you just put on like a sheet mask and some eye mask? Like, what does that look like for you? Number 11 is a 5-minute makeup challenge. You can even do like a 10-minute makeup challenge. Essentially, the idea is to get through your full makeup routine in an X amount of time. Number 12 is how you do your brows. This could also be like how you do your winged eyeliner, something to that effect. Number 13 is trends. So if you know that pink lipstick is going to be in this summer, like you want to do a video like on like pink lipstick shade for like fair skin, or pink lipstick shades for medium skin or brown skin or dark skin, or even like the colored eyeliners are in this summer, I believe. So you can do a video on that. So just kind of keeping up with what like beauty brands are releasing. You can also like do a little research, like just typing in like 2020 makeup trends and like seeing what the fashion magazines have put out as 2020 makeup trends. Number 14 is recreate a celebrity makeup look. So this could be like a look that they wore on like the red carpet. It could be a look they wore in a music video, anything like that, and just recreating it. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory, I feel. Number 15 is a full face of one brand. So, full face doing e.l.f., full face of Huda, full face of Dior. That'd be pricey, that'd be real pricey, but you know what I mean. 16, the good old-fashioned haul video. Everyone loves watching haul videos. Show us what you got. Number 17 is your favorite drugstore products. I feel like that's pretty self-explanatory. What are your favorite drugstore products? Okay, number 18 is your natural makeup look. So, a no makeup look, essentially. For number 19, I have the numbers pick my eyeshadow challenge. Essentially what this is you get a palette and a random number generator, and you assign each shadow a number, and then use the numbers that the number generator spits out to pick the eyeshadow colors that you use to create a look. And then last but not least, for number 20, I have the 10-minute makeup tutorial. So what this is not like the 10-minute makeup challenge where you're trying to do everything in 10 minutes. This is a tutorial specific for people that maybe don't like to spend 30-40 minutes doing their makeup, that they're just trying to do a quick something or other. And yeah, so 10-minute makeup tutorial. Alright guys, so that is it. That is my 20 video ideas for beauty YouTubers. If you guys enjoyed this video and you would like me to give you more ideas, let me know in a comment below. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.